Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? Hope all of you are very well. So in this video I am going to show you how to make a rectifier circuit, means AC to DC circuit, very easily. So before starting the experiment, I am going to draw the circuit diagram for your better understanding. So let me take the sheet. So I am drawing the circuit. So this is the circuit, this is the rectifier circuit, and this is the AC source. This is 220 volt AC source, AC, and this is the transformer. So this is the transformer, and this is the bridge rectifier circuit, and here is used 4 diodes. Diode 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the capacitor, 1000 microfarad, 25 volt, and it is the DC output. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. So now we are trying to make it. So let's start. These are AC connections and these are DC output terminal. This is the step down transformer. N4007 diodes. (1000 microfarad capacitor, 25 volt. This is negative, this is positive. So now this is time to test our circuit. The value is 245 volt. (8 volt supply, AC supply. And the capacitor, there is a DC supply. Across the capacitor, the voltage is 13.36 volt. So I am going to connect this motor. So this is a 12 volt DC motor and it is running very smoothly. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button for the latest update. Thank you for watching.